Okay, I'm going to do a quick video on VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP can be very finicky and very difficult to use. I'll put a link to a longer video on how to troubleshoot VLOOKUP below, but this is just short and sweet to get you up and running. So VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. So what I'm going to do is I've got this column here, subcategory column, and on this other sheet I have the subcategory and the associated salesperson. So I want to bring this salesperson over here to this sheet. So I'm going to look up this value here and return the value in column B. So I'm going to do equals VLOOKUP, and there's my wonderful formula helper here. So the value, lookup value, that's the value I want to look up, which is in B2. Then I'm going to do a comma. Then I'm going to do the table array. That is the area I want to look up. That's where I'm looking for the value. So I'm going to come over here. This is the area I want to look up. I don't want to include my header because I don't want to look up the header. Then I have to insert these dollar signs here to make those references absolute, which you can read more about see more about in the other video. So there's my array. It's going to always search the first column in the array. It's always going to look for your lookup value, which is B2. It's always going to look in the first column of the array, which is column A. Then I'm going to put a comma, and then I'm going to tell it which column to return, which in this case is column B or column 2 as the second column. I'm going to close my parentheses. There we go. Then I can just drag this down, and there are all my salespeople.